This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is February 4th, 2020. So here I got a call from the maintenance guy at that daycare, one of the daycare facilities I work at. I guess some of the cast iron pipe in the ceiling will let loose again. I had changed a 2-inch cast iron piece over there, I don't know, 6 months ago, I guess. And he's saying that it's a wire, something's leaking now. So I'm going over there and have to go see what it is and go run out and get it and swap it out. Looks like all cast iron gets old. The old no-hub wears out after a while. So anyway, it's just all little hand sinks in these classrooms that's tied into, I believe. We'll have to see. It might be a surge pipe. I don't know. It might be a pipe tied into the toilet. I don't know. I'm going over there now, and the guy's calling me in a panic. So we'll have to see. We'll go give a deal. How you doing, Mama? Give a deal. How you doing? You're having a bad hair day? Oh, I know you are. Yeah, look at you. You're having a bad hair day. Yeah, so hopefully I could just change that.
Yeah.
Should be able to.
Yeah.
As long as they don't use those
clamps are right there too.
Well, I'll take the clamps out. I'll just cut the rubbers and I'll put new clamps in. That's all. Oh, how you doing, Mama? Take the clamps right out. Take these clamps right out. I got new clamps. Roll the rubbers, get the clamps out of there. I'll cut the rubbers with a knife. I don't know if I can get out to get in there with a socket or something. Oh, great. I'll need to get in there with some kind of socket. I'll need to get a stubby one for that. Alright, I gotta get in there with a stubby. A stubby screwdriver. Stubby nut driver. Better off just putting new clamps in it. Cut the rubbers this way here, we don't have to we ought to roll the other rubbers to get it in there. It'd be better just we're putting in new clamps because the old rubbers are getting kind of hard. I'm better off just putting in brand new ones, you know, play around with them. I got new ones anyway, so we're just gonna put new ones. This other piece is the piece that I replaced last time I was here, which was, I don't know, a couple of 3-4 months ago maybe. I'd have to look back. We're just gonna cut it, get it right out of there. Looks like I can roll them. Rolling on the river. Yeah, because this one's probably been, this is a new one, I think. This is a new gasket. That's a new gasket there. This one's gonna have to be. Cattywampus. They said not to run the sinks upstairs. Hopefully I don't get drunk in the shower. Hopefully I don't get a shower, Mama. How is that thing hanging down here? It looks like some kind of pen. Looks like a pen or something. I don't know what the hell that don't look too kosher. What the hell that thing is? What is some kind of flopping in the flipping wind there? Yeehaw. Cobweb City here. That top one seems to be okay. We can leave that one, I guess. Stinking. Flipping stinking, Mama. They run that sink, I'm gonna be bullshit. I'll tell you right now. Alright, so I got the gaskets on, I'm gonna roll them. Be rolling in the river. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
I got about 17 kids who are going to come in here shortly. They will stay away from you and all your stuff.
Should be okay. I'm almost done here.
They're good. They're pretty good. They're well behaved. They won't
As long as they're not going to come over where I'm at, right? Be fine.
No, they won't. They won't try me.
Alright, so we got them rolled. See if we can get that top one in there. Like that. Roll that one. This one's only got one hanger on it. Take this one apart. Yeah, make sure it's going on there right, which it is. Yeah, I already got it.
You went, did you?
Huh?
Why didn't go down, did it?
No, you hear me screaming?
No, I didn't hear you.
Alright, well the water didn't come down because I would have been screaming.
Oh.
I would have been screaming. Usually you could hear it, well, toilet you could hear it and then flush it,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
not a sink.
No, you can just find out later when it gets all over you. Snack time?
I'm almost done anyway, so.
Sit on the run.
It worked out pretty good, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, see down here I could do
Go
that.
sit on the run.
Upstairs I really can't because all the classrooms are full. Unless they come downstairs.
But obviously, like I told you last time, and I mean, obviously the pipe's thin, right?
Yeah.
So, how old is it?
This was built in 96. Not really that old.
96, so that's 24 years. Or, you know.
What cast iron? That's not.
Well, that's like anything
Well,
else.
it's,
I mean.
it's not like the old cast iron that lasts for 100 years. So,
You know it. That's good enough for this neighborhood. Good enough for another couple of months, right? That's what you call kicking the can down the road.
What do we do every time we go after we cook? Yeah, we've been in school for 98 days. Let's get it together, friends.
Alright, so that's it. Oh, you want to go in and run the sinks up if it leaks?
What?
I'm gonna run the sink, see if it leaks. I think I changed this last piece last time. It's coming down on a cattywampus angle, but not much I could do about it.
What?
Yeah, I don't see any leaks.
I want to do the other room too to make sure.
Oh, that should be tied in back to back to them sinks, yeah. That looks good, I guess. Look at the tail go. Did you miss me? Oh yeah, I know you missed me. Yeah, you missed me. I know, yeah, you missed me. You missed me.